Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. But here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so the video that I see right here, viewers and subscribers, that video shows law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica confiscating vendors' goods. See? Now with the Christmas and New Year's holidays coming up, viewers and subscribers, that only make the situation look even more sad, you see me? Because vendors buy and sell in order to make money so that them can survive, just like anybody else. So may I say, and I know that law and order and rules should be and must be obeyed and maintained, the viewers and subscribers. I respect the rules and the laws of my country, but at the same time, I do not like to see people go through certain things. Yes, let me answer, viewers and subscribers. And I really and truly hope that those vendors was on the right side of the law. You see me? And that's why I have to go left that part, viewers and subscribers, because I don't have much information about that situation, really and truly, you know. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this video, a man said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about his sound system. The person also talked about the DJs. Some persons might call them selectors, isn't it? The person also used the word COVID, so I assume that he's referring to COVID-19. And in the video, the person said some things that gave me the understanding that he sent a message to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to the things that the man said in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that he said. And some harsh words have been used in this video. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yo, I like sound man them. I sound to sit down and quiet and make on sound a blood clot right now. I tell you this, you know, Prime Minister, Mr. Holness. From COVID start, my son can blood clot play. See, my son pack up, me have to change out this, I change out blood clot that. See, I'm telling you this, you know. 2 years now, my son no play. From my son win Guinness champion, high grade international, win Guinness champion. And thing. The amount of people money when me have to give back. And Christmas now, everywhere open up in the world, every bomber clad where Premier League I play, how much dance I keep a bomber clad foreigner, everything I keep a foreigner, everybody I keep a sound and selector, book a foreign. And the little Christmas now, see? The little Christmas now, we are forward now for to free up the blood clot place and make the sound man them sound can go out to play and a man can make back a money and can feed him family and do this. You know sound thing there? You know much your amps, you know much your new tricks. I just tell you the smallest thing and new tricks. Mr. Holness, I tell you this. I don't do what me for do for you. Put your way there. You don't remember nobody. Big up yourself. I not cuss you, I not that. But I tell you this. You see that December, yeah? You see any other sound now play, and my son can't get to play for that bomber ass clock December, yeah? How much date me have for that December, yeah? And me have to give back the people them bomber clock money. I'm telling you this, you know. You see January, February, election, nobody no come at all lily part. Nobody no come at bomber clock Cockburn pen. Nobody don't come in at the blank. All sound man. Wonado. You see me? So our sound them not for play. I mash up bomber clot Jamaica. Eh? Everything else but when fight against music, gonna fight against all when COVID a blood clot mash up and nobody in a business about COVID again. Uno still a hold on pan sound thing. Our sound thing bomber clot do no. Only no listen sound, no sound of get to people, you know. The round robin them and all of them thing there, you know. The people them dance, you know, where people go spend them money and support people, you know, for keep, you know. The selector them hungry. When last on a year Firelings? When last on a year Mataran, Sky Juice, Madras, Sean Bossy, Tanka, DJ Tatiana, Roxy, High Grade International.
People, I'm going to be honest with you, see? But I love if you can go back to how Jamaica was, you know, when we could have gone and party and dance and them thing there, I enjoy myself. I tell you the truth, but I love that. But from a government of your country set certain rules, especially because of the COVID-19 pandemic, I think it is best you follow it, isn't it? Plus, me no want none of them the big money charges that, breach of the disaster risk management acting, me no depend that. Me can't afford them things right now, me no depend that. You see me I say? So, on a real, me understand and agree with some of the things that the person said in that video, you see me I say, but not everything. Yes, when it comes down to the politics part now, me not really want have nothing too much to do with the politics part of it. Me will talk about certain things when it comes down to politics, but to get certain deep involvement with the politics thing, no, me that. So, me no business with that part, you see me. But my people, you can let me know what you think about the things that the man said in that video, you see me. I just tell you what I think, you see me. I'm gonna go wish that this whole pandemic thing would go away and everybody can go back to the normal lives and everything just alright. You see me, I really and truly hope for it. You think I know me, I hope for that. But pray, you see me. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now in the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, a man said Jamaica are for criminals. So may I say, yeah, in the video that I'm about to present to you, a man said Jamaica are for criminals. Now viewers and subscribers, I'm not going to explain every single thing that the man said in this video, but I would like you to listen to the things that the man said in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the man said. You see it? I'm going to tell you what I think as well after I present the video to you. You see it? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me.
I'm showing a little vibes, right? At Jamaica, I live. I'm showing a little vibes. Alright, no people want a little work, right? But if you're too honest at Jamaica, you can't honest at Jamaica, because you're not going to reach nowhere. So, you have to be a thief or a criminal to get through in Jamaica. And enough people out there, say don't lie me, I tell you. So if you're honest at Jamaica, you don't reach nowhere. Jamaica not for honest people, Jamaica for criminal. Gunman and them something there. I saw you survive and saw you hold money at Jamaica. Because if you got one job, say you work a boilers. And you see your friend them a hustle chicken and a thief chicken. And you not a thief nothing. You're gonna lose a job. Remember, you're gonna lose a blood clot job because enough of them want to say, you're going to get better than we don't want a thief. But as soon as you start a thief, you keep a job. I really think that Jamaica for criminals. You can't get...
Alright, my people. Even though I understand the point or points that the person I try to make, or maybe make the points because me understand, you see me? The point is viewers and subscribers, you see? I don't believe that my country Jamaica is for no criminals. Me not give up my country Jamaica to no criminals. No time, not all, no zit, nada. Nah, me not do that. So me I say, yeah, why me I say this now, my people, see? Now, me understand what I say. Make sure I say that. You see me? Let me give you an example just to make sure say your sister may understand what I say. Basically, it's like, for example, say you're there at a factory working, or you work for a company, and if all of the employees them are thief the boss products and goods them, but you not do that, then the rest of employees them might fear you as an informer. Or if the boss find out that things are missing from the factory or so forth, then most likely the employees, them who are thief, are going to look at you as the person who let them down. See? And might even try to get rid of you from out of the company. You get what I say to you? See? So, me understand the point or points that he is trying to make or make. You see? But the thing is, no matter what him say, and no matter what the situation, can't render evil for evil. Me nah give up Jamaica to no criminals. You see me I say, you ever hear about one thing when them say, one bad apple spoil the whole bunch? Yeah? Yeah, and that's how me see this a turn now. So because certain things happen where if you do good you get fire, you just have to give in and turn criminal too. No, me not go condole to that. Me not go tell a person to do that. You still do the good what you do. See? Yeah, you still do the good what you do. When you earn your money, No blood not depend on the money where you earn, and no tears not depend on the money where you earn. Tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right, my people. But now I give up Jamaica to no criminals. Yeah, but big up and respect for sharing point of views and opinions. Maybe he was fed up at the time when he made this video. Maybe. You see what I say? But big him up nevertheless. Alright? And yes, I'm going to leave it number people. So let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. And big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.